Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? In the same time, absolutely, my brother, all cryptocurrencies very badly falls down. But this is very urgent update for all Dogecoin holder because my brother, absolutely, there is a lot of chances to they will give you a profit and they will go in off now. Let's see, my brother. First of all, I open it the last 24-hour chart, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So hope you like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel. This time over the last 24 hours, you can see here this coin is completely in the loss, minus 0.55%. The price will fails down. Absolutely, I'm 100% sure to upcoming time the price will be changed into positive now and they will give you a very good profit. But that's all just an only possible, my brother, if you hold it. So remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, if you can see over this time after a fails, they will fail, they will take a jump. And remember, to every coin will move in this style. To after a fails, they will take a jump, and after a jump, they will fails down. So therefore, my brother, absolutely they will move in this style. So that's mean, my brothers, to they will completely and the profit now in upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. So hold it. I hope they will make you millionaire now. So Dogecoin holder, one thing more I want to tell you, to this time, my friend, the price has come to 0.24 USD dollar. But absolutely this is possible, my friends. So they will again change to 0.7 USD dollar. But this is just an only possible, my brother, if they will, my brother, especially like enormous people are promote this coin or collaborate this coin. So I are, my friend, Amazon collaborate. So this is absolutely possible now, but otherwise, my friend, this is impossible now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do or what's going on. But kindly please remember to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.